Okay, so welcome to tonight's live trading sessions, and as usual, welcome back for this week. And let us get started, guys. Okay, so definitely welcome back again to this week's live streaming sessions, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. But again, as you guys know, a new week starts with a better market prospect, and possibly we can actually make some good trades out of the market too. So hope for the best. And as usual, we'll be analyzing, we'll be preparing what kind of a possible scenarios that could be happening based on the overall market movement that has happened for today's trend, and what I could be suggesting to you guys on what could be done for you guys as well. Because overall, the market scenarios has actually shown us sometimes a different thing, and we need to react based on it. But overall, we are going to discuss a few things as usual. First, we'll be discussing what's happening on the major commodities assets trend, momentum, as well on how you guys could prepare on the analysis that we have done on the worst case, on the best case scenario, whether it's going up, whether it's going down. Hope you guys get a little bit of an idea of what you guys could be doing out of the market situations as things change. All right. So definitely, if you guys haven't known me yet, let me introduce myself. I'm Steven. Nice to see you here, guys, and definitely welcome to join my live streaming sessions. And if you guys haven't known me yet, I'm doing my live streaming sessions from Monday to Friday from 6:30 to 10 p.m. So there will be two sessions. One will be on the VIP side, if you guys haven't known yet, where I'll be talking more about the economic impacts and what's the most updates on the price action as usual. And definitely on this public live streaming sessions, I will be talking about the overall market movement trends and how you guys could make some good actions out of it. And first of all, I'm a trend follower, swing trader, so I'll be discussing mainly about what's happening on the overall market situations for today and give you guys updates on every single trading assets. And if there's something interesting on particular assets, I'll be focusing more on those assets as usual. All right, so let us get into what's happening in the market. And if you guys haven't followed me yet and you guys don't want to miss out on any real-time updates that I'm sharing with you guys on the analysis, make sure that you guys don't forget to give us a thumbs up, likes, and follow, subscribe so that you guys don't miss out anything. All right, so let us get into it. So first of all, we have already been actually seeing that today gold market has actually been weakening since the start of the day. And it's not a really big surprise, and I will be talking more about what's actually happening. It's mainly due to the tariff issue that really gives the shock towards the gold market. But all of those issues has actually been clarified, and we are actually seeing that the gold market has been pressuring downwards for today. Hasn't been changing much, and we are seeing more pressure to come on the overall market movement. And so far, since the market session started for today, we are not expecting much of a change as we are seeing that the overall gold market movement has been pretty similar. It's been on a downtrend. Although one thing that I could say for sure that momentum has started to slow down, we are seeing that prices has been ranging and bounding from the support at 3350 area, guys. So based on that alone, I would suggest for you guys to be a little bit careful. As yes, that's true. First, when we are looking through the trend, we are seeing that prices has been going downtrend. That's very clear, guys. And second of all, when we started to see the momentum has started to dissipate. It has started to disappear a little bit by bit. And that's one of the things that I will be a little bit careful on what I will be saying. All right, this is the time to do buy, this is the time to do sell, because we are not really seeing those momentums as of now. So definitely after hitting the support, it has been very clear to me for today at the live streaming sessions hour, we are going to see prices will be ranging first. So what are the things that you guys should be doing based on the analysis that we have been doing? So yes, today we have already been seeing that the gold market has been going through a downtrend, momentum has started to disappear. So there are always usually one thing that I always suggest you guys to do, which is that you guys need to be patient, guys, because we need to be patient to wait out for the right timing to get the lowest risk setup on the market. If you guys asking me, can we, or you guys enter the trade right now? There is certainly no right and wrong, but certainly you guys could. But it will be coming at a higher risk because at the current price, definitely, it has been showing us the signs of a possible slowdown. Maybe this is the time to do the short position to get the lowest risk. But at the same time, we are also seeing the possibility that over the past 3 hours, prices has been ranging, guys. So I think that's what you guys need to be careful. If you guys are trading on a short-term basis, unlike me, I'll be trying to find another big swing or at least in the directions of the trend for tonight. But so far, from what I'm able to catch, it seems that prices is still ranging. So there's a possibility that prices could start to slow down and could be giving us a good chance to do a short. But again, as usual, I'll be watching through a shorter time frame at let's say 30 minutes or 15 minutes to actually get more confirmations on how exactly the overall market movement has been moving to get clearer and further confirmations. And so far, from what we are able to see, yes, it seems that prices has actually been slowing down, unable to go out higher, and there are chances for the prices to start to go down lower again. And overall, it has been hitting the higher part of the downtrend channel and showing signs of a bearish candlestick. And I think that is a pretty good sign for us to get out of the market. So based on that, there's a probability of good chances that right now could be a good time to sell on the resistance, guys. All right. So right now there's a good possibility for that kind of causes. Risk per se for now has been very limited. Yeah, let's say putting it here should be a very fine and a very safe limit. But again, usually I'll be waiting for more confirmations, trying to see out how the current candlestick will close and how the next market movement will be followed with. If it followed with more weaknesses to come, I'll be expecting to see gold to come down lower. But again, as I've already told you guys, I'm seeing a good chances for that to happen. Maybe I'll be sharing more ideas on my premium trades. And certainly on my premium trades, I'm sharing with you guys dozens of signals every single week. And if you guys are confused, you guys don't know how to do the analysis, you guys don't know how to enter the trades, you guys don't know how to set up your risk, don't know how to set up your target price, certainly you guys are welcome to join me and us, other traders together on my premium trades, where you guys could be getting trading ideas such as the ones you guys are seeing on the right hand side of the top corner. And on there, you guys could actually get this kind of ideas daily. And certainly, it will be very well defined within the risk, within the target price, depending on your style. All right, so make sure you guys check out the link on my profile, my video descriptions, if you guys don't want to miss out on the next trading idea, profiting you guys a possible hundreds of dollars on every trade, guys. So certainly, you guys are welcome to check that out. But certainly, as I've said, I'm seeing good chances that there could be a good possibility happening with how the current market movement has been moving. There's a good chances that prices could be giving us a little bit of a clue on where the next market movement will be going next, guys. All right, so make sure you guys don't miss that out if you guys haven't been getting any idea on how to do your trades. Okay, so let me check. I'm seeing good signs, guys. Certainly, that will be the case based on the overall market movements. And I hope you guys don't miss out on the chances. But again, I will be preparing in case that everything goes well as what we have been seeing. Prices has been weakening, and we are walking through shorter time frame, no rebounds, and prices continue to weaken. Then I'm getting the confirmations that we are waiting for. All right. So based on the gold market alone, we are actually getting a lot of good signs that possibly could be affecting the silver market as well, because usually we are seeing that gold and silver has been usually moving in a tandem, and we are likely to see a same reaction also appearing on the silver market. Because let's say I do check a little bit on the silver market right now, what has actually happened. So as you guys could see, the market movement is particularly similar and not much of a change, and certainly it has actually been showing more signs of downward pressure on the silver market. So that's why we are saying that if we are looking at gold, sometimes we could get a very similar reactions on silver. And again, you guys need to remember that silver market reaction sometimes could even much earlier or much later, which could we use on the market situations in case we are late on gold, in case we are late on silver. Sometimes the next movement could appear on the other side of the market, either gold or either silver. So that's a tip for you guys on how you guys could analyze the market. And sometimes we could be late, sometimes we are waiting for confirmation, sometimes that are the chances and the opportunities that could arise for us in the market. All right. So in that kind of scenario, hope that can help you if you guys are waiting for more confirmations as I do, because that's how I usually do my trades on the market. Okay, so let me check back on the gold market and see what kind of opportunity could arise. Okay, so for now, we're still seeing that prices is still slowing down, but signs are pretty convincing, I would say. So I will be preparing to do my moves pretty soon as well. So again, if you guys don't want to miss that out, welcome to join me on my premium trades, guys. All right, so that you guys don't miss out on any chances that I'm sharing with you guys on my premium trades, and you guys could actually get access on it for complimentary, guys. So definitely, I hope you guys don't miss out on those chances, guys. All right. We have already been sharing the analysis, and if you guys are on the live streaming sessions, hope you guys have been enjoying your time here. Get a little bit of an idea what you guys could think or do on the trades. And if you guys do have any questions to the market, you guys are certainly welcome to ask me through the chats or comments, and certainly hope you guys are enjoying your time here. All right. So later on, we'll try to see out how the changes works, and if prices starts to slow down, I'll be discussing furthermore on the silver market as we haven't been discussing. We're just taking a slight peek on the silver market, and I'll be sharing more ideas and analysis with you guys, and hopefully we could get some interesting market movement during the live streaming sessions. So if you guys have missed out on some key important information that I've been sharing on the gold market, don't forget to click the follow and subscribe button as we have already been sharing the analysis, sharing the tips and tricks on the market that's happened, and I'll be sharing with you guys another case of scenario on the gold market. In the worst case scenario that prices didn't go down, what I would be expecting. First, if we are trying to do a buy, certainly at the current price won't be a good time to do so. And why is that the case? Because right now, on the verge of the downtrend as prices continues to go down, we have been seeing that prices has been acting on the upper side of the downtrend channel has been quite a strong resistance. First, the second of all, we also have our moving averages that has been moving really well, and I'm expecting to see that prices will likely to stay as a strong resistance on there. So certainly during those kind of prices when we are not really seeing signs of a breakout and a lot of signs of weaknesses, I won't be trying to do buy. So if I'm trying to do a buy, where I will be putting out those buy positions. So certainly if you guys are thinking about doing longs, and if you guys wanted to get the lowest risk setup on the market, certainly we are trying to buy near 3355, guys. And why is that the case? Because one, we have already been seeing that today market morning sessions, over the past few hours, we've actually been seeing that prices has actually been hitting the low area around here. And this would be the best and the lowest risk area to do the trades on the market. Because right now, trying to do buys won't be a good thing. First, we are trading against trend. Second, the momentum has actually been showing signs of bearishness. And three, we should follow those true signs that we are seeing on the market rather than trying to trade against the trend. It's better to follow the trend. And certainly right now we are seeing a lot of signs, and I've been telling you guys, if you guys don't know how you guys to do your trades, don't know how to risk your trades, don't know how to put your target price, you guys are welcome to click the link on my profile on my video descriptions and join me on my premium trades, as I have been sharing with you guys an idea and you guys could get those ideas for free. All you guys need to do is click the link and chat me for access on my premium trades, and I'll show you guys how you guys could get access on trading ideas such as this. And again, we are not just trading on gold, we are trading on also other varieties of trading assets: silver, oil, indices, forex, you name it guys. We are giving you guys those ideas and possibly hundreds of dollars in terms of profits every single day on your hands, guys. So if you guys don't want to miss out on those chances, definitely welcome for you guys to check out the link on my profile, chat me, say that you guys wanted to get access on my premium trades, guys. All right. Hope that helps you guys, and certainly we'll be continue analyzing what's happening on the silver market, as we have been saying that the gold market has actually been following alongside our analysis as prices hits the top of the resistance, and we are seeing that price movement has been weakening further and further. So I don't really see any reason to be a little bit worried whether our analysis is spot on or not, because overall we are anticipating on what kind of possibility happening. We are waiting for the confirmations. The confirmations has shown us the momentum has started to be bearish. Downtrend is still intact, and we just need to follow the rest, how the market will be moving, guys. And I hope you guys have been enjoying your time here. So if you guys are enjoying, have you guys got a little bit of idea how you guys could do your trades, learn something, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow and subscribe so you guys don't miss out on any information that I'm sharing with you guys real time. All right. So let me have a drink first, guys. So let's move on. Try to see what is happening on the silver market as we speak. So silver market has actually been showing a pretty similar sign. Prices of weaknesses is appearing on the market, and since the start of the day analysis wise, it hasn't changed much, because as prices starts the day, prices has actually been followed alongside with more weaknesses, guys. And it has been very clear that today's trend on gold and silver is very strikingly similar, and we are seeing chances that prices on the silver will face more downward pressure, as we are not really seeing the changes. We are seeing that prices are going down, falling lower and lower, and potential will be trying to test the support at $37.80 and the lowest at $37.60. So based on the overall market movement, one thing, trend has been going down, momentum has been bearish. Certainly, I'm expecting to see more downward pressure to come on the market based on this kind of market scenarios. And if you guys are thinking otherwise, you guys are thinking about doing longs, I hope you guys are paying attention, or at the very least, set up a very clear defined risk, because for now, I'm seeing the chances for a drop is much higher compared to the jump, and the bearishness is much more clearer on the silver market compared to gold. So if you guys are thinking about doing longs, hope you guys are doing your trade safely, guys. All right. So I think on this silver market side, I don't really have a lot of things to say, arguing, say, let's say I'm afraid the prices is going up. The trend is very clear. It's showing signs of topping phases, and I'm likely to see that prices will be hitting $37 at 70 cents soon, as prices continue to weaken as we are speaking, guys. So I don't really see any reasons to be bullish. Instead, I'll be expecting to see how the prices will be testing the support area, $37.70, $37.60 to come over the live streaming sessions. And I believe this market asset has been one of the interesting assets for tonight, guys. Certainly, you guys are welcome to check it out on your own, because that's what we have been looking so far, and the signs for the potential drop is still continuing on the market. So hope you guys who are watching, you guys can actually try to make a short positions on this kind of movement, because so far that's what we have been seeing happening across the market sessions, guys. All right. All right. So far, signs of bearishness is still there, and definitely more weaknesses are here to come, guys. All right. Let me check on how it has been happening on the gold market. So, gold market has been weakening. It has been slightly slower, but again, signs are pretty convincing on both sides of the market. Nothing much to worry about as prices continue its weaknesses, guys. All right. So both analysis has been pretty much similar in terms of the market movement. It's just a matter of how huge the correction, so the decline is happening, and we'll see how that market movement continues as we are seeing that prices are under huge selling pressure for both trading assets, guys. All right. So hope you guys are trading safely, and remember, always have your trading plan in place, guys. But if you guys are confused, you guys don't know how to do your trades, you guys don't want to miss out on the potential hundreds of dollars you guys could make together with us on the trading ideas that we have been sharing with you guys daily, you guys are certainly welcome to follow us by clicking the link on my profile and video descriptions and chat me for access on trading premium trading ideas as this. So we are sharing these ideas with you guys daily, and we also do give you guys a lot of good chances, and all of this you guys could get it for free. So head out on my profile, on my video descriptions, click the link, chat me for access of premium trades so that you guys don't miss out on the next chances on the market, guys. All right. Hope you guys are trading well, and if you guys are looking for more guidance, certainly I'm happy to help you guys as well. All right. So if you guys do have any requests on the market that you guys wanted to have a look together with us on the live streaming sessions, certainly welcome to let me know in the chats, the comments. And if you guys are enjoying your time here, you guys wanted to learn analysis together with your friends, you guys are certainly welcome to share this video with them so that you guys could have interactive discussions with me, and you guys could ask me questions directly, and I could be interacting with you guys immediately on this live streaming sessions, guys. So certainly for welcome for you guys to do that, and hope you guys could get more ideas on how you guys could improve your trading as well. All right. So hope that's the case. And let us see what has been happening on the gold market side as we have been finishing our discussions on silver. Nothing much is different, and the analysis is pretty much even clearer that the signs of weaknesses is much apparent, I would say. And I believe that is primarily happened due to the reasons we have been actually seeing on some things. So first of all, we're starting to see that the US dollar index has actually been strengthening over the past few hours, and probably that's also one of the contributing factors. But I believe I know what's actually happening on the economic event side, and I will be letting you guys know what actually happened on the market that really caused the gold market to drop furthermore, and there's a very clear reasons behind it, and certainly it has been resolved, and that's why we have been seeing that the gold market has actually been dropping. All right, so just an update for you guys that usually we'll be having new sessions as usual, and that could really cause bigger volatility on the market. But I'm afraid for today, as usual, on the morning side, we don't have much of a news to share or any economic events that could be released soon. I'm expecting to see more on the Tuesday market sessions, as that's usually the case. And from what I'm able to catch, I'm seeing that there will be a lot of ideas happening on the market movement. So first of all, we are seeing that the RBA will be releasing their decisions on their interest rates, and it seems that there's a lot of expectations for a rate cut. So again, I'm expecting to see more volatility on the Australian dollar this week. And as well, if we are watching through the overall market movement, we'll be having UK unemployment tomorrow, as well as the US inflation numbers. And I believe that this kind of market situations could really deliver a lot of volatility on the market as usual. So certainly watch out for tomorrow, as there will be US inflation, RBA decisions, as well as UK unemployment. And I believe that on Wednesday we'll be witnessing more ideas to come as we are entering the second week of the new month on August. That's usually we'll be having more ideas on the market, economic events, like Germany inflation, Australia wage inflation as well, Japan producer price index, and I believe that will be the biggest thing for Wednesday. So Tuesday itself is a pretty big thing. And followed along the market movement on Thursday, we'll be having Australian unemployment rate expected to be even improving in terms of the labor market, UK GDP estimates, and certainly I believe it's quite a heavy week data on Thursday. We'll be seeing the US initial jobless claims alongside with the US PPI numbers. So it's expected to be higher as the effect of tariff could be coming on the market, and that certainly has been affecting the market as well for Thursday. And on Friday, we'll be having Japan's GDP quarter-on-quarter growth numbers, as well as the US retail sales alongside with the US industrial productions and University Michigan sentiment. So there will be one main central bank decisions this week, followed alongside with GDP data, inflation and unemployment across different continents such as UK, Australia, Japan, and the US, guys. So I'm expecting to see more volatility appeared for this week coming out from the US dollar index, pound sterling, Australian dollar, as well as the Japanese yen. So make sure you guys pay attention for those four currencies this week as usual, as most of the events that has and that will happen on the market will certainly affect the market much more volatile compared to the rest of the currencies. So hope you guys are paying attention and get a little bit of idea what you guys could expect in terms of volatility for this week, as those are the market events that could happen this weekend. I mean this week. All right. So hope you guys get an idea and know how you guys could approach the market with this kind of market conditions. And certainly, I believe that with how things has been evolving, I'm expecting to see more ideas to come maybe tomorrow. So I won't be taking too much attention on in terms of the news side, as we're not really expecting much of a move from there. And certainly, more of the market movement will be directly dependent on the price actions for today. So I'll be watching closely, try to see on how that plays. All right. So as we have already been talking about, the possibility that the US dollar index movement will be likely affecting more on the gold market could be happening as there's not much of an economic event. Certainly the action on the US dollar index could affect the market. So I'll be talking more about the US dollar index with you guys later on, as usual, and hope you guys get a little bit of an update on what you guys could be expecting of the market. All right, so silver market continues to drop, and soon I'll be talking with you guys about what is happening on the US dollar index. But again, if you guys don't want to be confused, we have just hit our profit target on the market movement on our trading ideas on the premium side, and that is hundreds of dollars for in terms of profits, guys. So if you guys don't want to miss out on the next trading idea again, you guys are welcome to follow the link on my profile, click on it, chat me, say that you guys wanted to get access on my premium trades, and I'll be showing you guys how you guys could make hundreds of dollars in terms of profit on every trade, and certainly how you guys could manage your risk perfectly well. And certainly, if you guys are confused, don't know how you guys to do your trades, and you guys are interested to make some good bucks, you guys are welcome to click the link on my profile, on my video descriptions, chat me, say that you guys wanted to get access on my premium trades. And you guys could get ideas such as the one you guys are seeing on the right hand side of the top corner. And this is the kinds of ideas that I'm sharing with you guys. And if you guys don't want to miss out, that is the only way that you guys could get access on it. So welcome and make good trades and profit consistently, sustainably with us. All right. So silver has actually been dropping. So both are showing really good signs, but I'm seeing a chances that prices is slowing down a little bit, getting a slight rebound. But overall trend is still very clear. Prices is still weakening, and I'm expecting to see further drops. But again, we'll be discussing what actually happened on the silver market. I mean, the US dollar index and what could we expect out of it for tonight. All right. So Here we go. So far, from what we have been analyzing so far, everything has actually been quite spot on. We have actually been seeing the pressure on the US dollar index has actually pushed down gold and silver, and it has apparently been true. We are seeing that prices has actually been consolidating since the early part of the market sessions, as we have been able to see that prices are actually rebounding from support at $97.80 and has actually been able to push up and potentially try to break out of last Friday's resistance at $98.20. And right now it's on the verge of doing so. It's going to take time as usual, but patience is definitely required on every trade, guys. There is no magic way to forward time or fast forward everything. We need to let time and the market to move on its own movement, and certainly we are seeing signs of that possibly happening as well. As the US dollar index continues to go stronger, good signs could possibly emerge out of the market, and certainly the US dollar index movement after consolidating on the lower side is actually showing us a lot of positive improvement on the market, and the potential for prices to continue to go higher has certainly helped to push down both gold and silver. But if you are watching through shorter time frame of the market, I think it's been pretty clear that prices has actually been trying to push up higher, and we are seeing the signs over the past 30 minutes, and that's why we have been seeing the pressure are appearing on both gold and silver. So I'll be expecting to see more to come as prices continue to try to break out last Friday's resistance at $98.20, and more to come is likely to happen with this kind of market movement. And as you guys remember, this week on Monday, we are not really having a lot of big economic events, and certainly based on what we are seeing on the US dollar index should have been able to help to push down both gold and silver for tonight. As what we have been seeing, the trend has been pretty clear, and I'm expecting to see further drops to be contributed by the market for tonight. All right. But again, I will say the resistance is very much close, and there's a potential that prices could fail. So that's why we always need to have a clear trading plan on the market. In case of the worst case scenario did happen on the market, we always have an exit way, have a safe way to get out of the market without risking too much of capital in every single trade. So make sure if you guys are trading, trade responsibly, trade without too much of a leverage or too big of a single trade positions, guys, because it's very important to have a clear check and balances in terms of how you guys are approaching the trades on the market. All right, hope that helps you guys. And again, we are still seeing the signs. Prices continue to go down on the gold market, as we have already been discussing what's happening on the US dollar index, guys. And if you guys are watching since the early part of the live streaming sessions, we have been telling and suggesting to you guys there's a potential that price weakness is happening. We are waiting for the confirmation. Confirmation is there. And prices has actually been falling down by a total of 50 to 60 pips since we have been sharing with you guys this analysis and telling you guys the potential of a price drop down is much higher than the potential of the prices to go higher. So if you guys are already on this live streaming session since the start, I'm sure you guys have already been good profits, and congrats to you guys, and certainly congrats on the traders on my premium trades, because I believe that most of you guys have been making some good wonderful profit together. Hundreds of dollars, I'm sure it's already on hand. And again, if you guys don't want to miss out on those chances, you guys are welcome to check the link on my profile, my video descriptions, so that you guys don't miss out on those chances as well. Because once you miss out, a lot of trading ideas could be headed out next on my premium trades as well. So if you guys don't want to miss out on those next idea on the market, certainly welcome for you guys to chat me and say that you guys want to get access on my premium trades, and I'll show you guys how you guys could get those ideas, and it's all for complimentary and free if you guys are heading towards my profile and click on the link and chat me for those access. And you guys definitely don't want to miss out on the chances to make hundreds of dollars in every single trade. And again, a lot of trades is still coming up next, guys. So make sure you guys are stay tuned, and I'll be sharing more ideas with you guys what could be possibly happening on other trading assets, as we have been discussing on the US dollar index. I'll be expecting to see more market movements on the currency strength charts for today, and see what could be the possibly next market movement that we can do on the currency market. But checking on silver, we should be expecting that silver market should have been dropping, but instead, silver market has started to slow down. As usual, I've already been telling you guys multiple times that with how things are moving on the silver market, sometimes things could be a little bit tricky, and that's why I always suggest for you guys to be a little bit careful. Yes, even though in terms of direction, it's been very clear, prices is moving in a lot of downward pressure, but always remember, don't overtrade and trade with healthy size positions in the market. Don't overtrade, don't overposition. That is certainly very important. So in any case, you guys could get in, get out safely on the market without risking hurting your performance overall. Okay. So if you guys are enjoying your time here, don't forget to give us support by giving us a thumbs up, likes, and don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on any trading ideas that I have been recommending to you, analysis and tips and tricks on how you guys could approach the market and what kind of possible scenarios that could be happening in the market. Certainly, you guys definitely don't want to miss that out. And the only way that you guys could be getting notified whenever I'm sharing the analysis with you guys, sharing the tips and tricks, sharing the ways that you guys could learn all of the analysis, certainly is by clicking the follow and subscribe button. And once I'm starting my live streaming sessions, you guys will be notified and you guys could get on hands the analysis, tips and tricks, and ideas on what you guys could be expecting of the market, and get make some good trading ideas as well could be possibly appearing on this live streaming sessions, guys. So I hope you guys don't miss that out because certainly we've already been sharing with you guys a lot of possible good ideas on the market, and certainly based on the analysis, everything has been very clear. We are just waiting for time, momentum, and patience is all that is needed on the market sessions, guys, as usual. So again, if you guys don't want to wait, you guys want to get a clear trading ideas, you guys know where you guys could look out for. I am always sharing it on my premium trades, and for you guys to get access on my premium trades, all you guys need to do, check the link on my profile, my video descriptions, click on it, and hundreds of dollars are waiting for you guys in terms of profit. Yes, all right. So as gold continue to be under pressure and has actually hit the support area, I'll be expecting that market movement will be slowing down a little bit as we are not really seeing further momentums to continue to drop and prices has actually been rebounding. So I'll suggest for you guys to be a little bit careful if you guys just consider to do your sell positions as prices right now is very near to its the low of today at 3,350. 453, and certainly prices has the potential to immediate rebound from here. So if you guys are thinking about doing your shorts here, I'll suggest you guys to be a little bit careful, or you guys could actually consider to do your sell positions once we are getting the confirmations that prices is breaking down lower. And that will be very much safer than you guys could compare and could get up and get in safely out of the market movement once you get the confirmations that prices are moving down lower. So again, I believe that waiting for more confirmations should be the best thing for you guys. If you guys are thinking about doing shorts, wait for the confirmation to appear before doing your trades, guys. Hope that is helping you guys in terms of your risk management. Okay, so right now, prices is trying to break down of the low and the support, and we are seeing good signs that prices could actually drop from here. And certainly, we have been making some good profits as usual. And if you guys don't want to miss that out, you guys know where you guys could look at. Check the link on my profile. Hundreds of dollars in profits are waiting for you guys. A lot of good trades. Gold, silver, major commodities assets, indices, forex are waiting for you guys. And certainly, we have been making some good profits, guys. So if you guys don't want to miss out on the good profits, potentially waiting for you guys, or you guys have missed out a lot on thousands from past week, guys. All right. So certainly welcome for you guys to check out the link on my profile, my video descriptions, if you guys wanted to get good trading ideas, as we have already been sharing on how I'm doing an analysis, on how I'm waiting for confirmations, and you guys could see live how I'm doing the analysis and how you guys could make those profits as well on your 4 cents for you guys. So you guys could check out the link on my profile and chat me for my premium trades. And all you guys need to do, wait for the next trading idea once you are already inside my premium trades, guys. All right. So again, we have already been telling you guys, be careful if you guys are doing shorts right now. As usual, I'll be waiting for confirmations of a price breakdown to wait and get that confirmations, as prices right now will be trying to test the lows of today, and the support has been very clear. Right now won't be a good time to do shorts, as I've already been telling you guys. So you gotta be careful if you guys are just trying to do your shorts. And again, I've already been telling you guys there's a good potential that we are making good profits on a potential trade, and we have already been making good profits on the premium trades since the start of live streaming sessions. We have been telling you guys here. So again, it's not just only on gold, it's also happening on the silver market, as we have already been telling you guys that prices are likely to go down lower, and silver prices hasn't been moving much. So if you guys are trying to do shorts, maybe consider your trades on silver and try to enter at much higher prices, guys, because prices are right now consolidating, hasn't been dropping down lower. There's good potential that the gold market could mimic on what could be happening on the silver market, guys. All right. And so far from what we are seeing, prices are right now waiting for more confirmations. If prices starts to break down the low of today, I'm expecting to see more. If not, I'm expecting to see that prices on gold will start to rebound and potentially another trading ideas to go on the market. So I'm waiting for confirmations, and patience is definitely much required. Other than the trading plan, other than analysis, patience, timing is everything on the market, guys. So if you guys haven't been patient enough to wait out for the right setup, waiting for the lowest risk setup, you guys need to be patient and try to reanalyze the positions on how you guys are deciding to enter the trades. But if you guys don't want to be confused, you guys don't want to be confused by how you guys could do all of that, you guys are certainly welcome to immediately join my premium trades by clicking the link on my profile on my video descriptions. You guys could get access on it without thinking about how you guys could do your trading plan, how to enter, how to put your stop losses, how to decide your target price. It's all provided for you guys, and you guys could get it all for free. All you guys need to do, click the link on my profile on my video descriptions, and you guys could get access on the next trading ideas, potentially hundreds of dollars in profits. And not only from today, it will be almost every single day sent to your phone. And I'll show you guys how you guys could get access on those trading ideas, like you guys are seeing right on the top right hand side of the corner. All right. So you guys could get all of this access all for free. On all you guys need to do, click the link on my profile on my video descriptions, chat me that you guys wanted to get access on my premium trades, and you guys will be getting those. And the analysis that we have been doing so far has actually been very simple. You guys are getting a lot of understanding. You guys could learn a lot from today and almost every single day as well. So if you guys haven't followed us, subscribe, do go ahead, and you will be notified when I started my live streaming session, so that you guys don't miss out on any important information that I'm sharing with you guys daily, guys, because I'm doing the live streaming sessions from Monday to Friday, 6:30 to 10 p.m. Singapore time. And certainly, I'll be sharing more idea with you guys in terms of economic updates as usual. And the only way that you guys could get access on it as well, click the link on my profile and ask for access on my VIP live sessions that I will be conducting on later sessions as usual. So if you guys are interested to know more what's happening on the economic events and what are the implications on trading assets, you guys are certainly welcome to join me on my VIP live sessions. Ask for VIP live sessions access, ask for my premium trades access, and all you guys could get tons of golden ideas on how you guys could approach the market. All right. So again, patience, 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 waiting for the right timing, waiting for the right momentum, as if not, risk could be a double-edged sword for you guys. All right. All right. So again, if you guys are asking me, right now, both gold and silver on the verge of breaking down or whether prices could break out higher. So again, we are waiting for more signs. And meanwhile, we are waiting. I'll be discussing what's actually happened on the oil market with you guys. All right. So let me switch. So that itself is a pretty positive sign to the market. And from that itself alone, we are starting to see the prices consolidating. As you guys, if you have been following the news on the markets, you guys do know what's happening on the geopolitical side. And I couldn't speak too much as usual. And the only way that you guys could know what I'm talking about is joining me on my VIP live sessions, because on there I would be talking much more freely without a lot of censorship, guys. Okay, so hope you guys could join me there. And definitely with this kind of market movement, a lot are on the edge. Whether price or whether the agreement could really reach a deal is still upon waiting, and we are going to wait for more confirmations as things are still underway on that northern hemisphere. And based on that alone, we have been seeing that the oil prices have actually been rebounding, has been very positive since the start of the day as prices tested the support at $63.40. Prices have actually been rebounding, hitting back towards the resistance area before that big price drop happened on last Friday. And around $64.50, $64.60, we are seeing that prices as right now on the verge whether prices could potentially break out or whether prices could retest the resistance and go down back lower on the long run of the market movement. With this kind of market conditions, I'm expecting to see and wait out as the overall market movement over the past week has been downtrend, and those trend is still there. So I'll be waiting for more confirmations to come. And if prices do break out, there's potential that prices could be hitting back $65. So I'll be checking out and try to see out how the market movement will be playing out in the next few hours, as right now prices is a little bit slowing down. And again, usually all market will be moving much clearer and much volatile when there's a big event, and certainly the big event hasn't happened yet. So I'll be expecting that market movement will be slowing down around these hours and will be slightly moving with tendency of ranging between $63.60 to $64.70 for now. Okay, so I will not be expecting too much of a move, and as I've already been telling you guys, the best market movement is actually happening on the gold market, silver market, and hope you guys are making some good decisions, as we have already been seeing that the gold market has actually been dropping. We haven't been able to see much of a move happening on the silver market. Certainly, I'm expecting to see more market movement to come on the silver market. If you guys are right now waiting, these are the signs that if you guys are waiting, that price is actually broken down today's low. These are the sign, guys. So if you guys are too late, these are the chance for you guys to enter the trades. Enter your shots, put your stop losses pretty much safe at 3350, 56. And the only way that you guys could get a clear trading plan, you guys know where you guys could look out for. It's all through the link on my profile or my video descriptions if you guys are interested to get my trading ideas and how you guys could trade profitably together with us. It's all on my premium trades. And all you guys need to do, click the link on my profile, my video descriptions, check it out. Hundreds of dollars are waiting for you guys, trading ideas on major commodities, assets, and not only for today, every single day from Monday to Friday, waiting for you guys to make some good profits, guys. All right. So we have already been making some good profits and again hitting our target price over the live streaming sessions. It's rare, but it's happening. So again, congratulations if you guys are already on my premium trades. Happy that you guys have already been making good profits for tonight. And we are expecting more trading ideas to come to the market. So again, if you guys are just watching, you guys have been missing out on a lot of trading ideas. Unfortunately, the only way that you guys could get those trading ideas, premium trades, are through the link on my profile or my video descriptions, and you guys could get access on it for free, guys. So head out there if you guys are interested. If you guys don't want to miss out more ideas, you guys know where you guys could look out for it. Okay. Hope that helps you if you guys don't want to miss out more chances, more potential profit on your accounts. The only way that you guys can get it, click the link on my profile and my video descriptions and join me and trade profitably together with us. All right. Okay, so for now, as we started to see that prices has been rebounding, it is testing the support at 3350 area for tonight. So again, with this kind of market conditions, I'm expecting to see that prices on the silver market will also be consolidating right at the low at $37.74 with this kind of market conditions. So in order for us to actually start to see more market reactions to come is we are going to wait out and see what the next market movement will be. Because certainly, as we've already been seeing that the gold market has been dropping a lot, silver hasn't been dropping, and right now could be a good time for us to actually start to see some more volatile market movements. If it's not happening now, it's not going to happen more. So again, we are going to see how the prices will be reacting as prices right now is testing the support at 3350 after breaking down the lows of today at 3353. And hope you guys are getting more updates as usual. I will be updating you guys if there's any big changes happening on the market. And right now, this is one of this kind of updates I'm sharing with you guys as we are still seeing that prices are still following down the downtrend. We are still seeing signs of potential price drops. And I'm seeing these signs is very much clear and it's actually happening on the market, guys. So potentially prices could be slowing down around here. If you guys have done your shorts, make sure you guys have been putting well placed your positions, your trading ideas, your trading plan with the stop losses and target price is ready and active for you guys. Because right now, prices are right now bouncing from the lows at 3,350 and potentially prices could continue its downtrend, prices could continue to rebound. All you guys need to do, put your trading plan in place. But the analysis has been very clear. Downtrend is still there. Momentum of bearishness is still there. I'm expecting to see prices will be breaking down below 3,350. And I've been expecting to see further drops happening on the silver market as well. So as prices hasn't been dropping, I'll be expecting more momentum will be coming on the silver market to drop, guys. And so far, everything has been in line with the view. Prices has been dropping and dropping, and I don't really see a lot of signs that prices could be rebounding for now, as prices has continued its downtrend over the past 1 hour during our live streaming sessions here. And if you guys have been following us since the start of the market, we have already been profiting on the gold market. We have already been saying that silver market will be under a lot of pressure and potentially making good profits as well. And also the US dollar index continued to stay higher and higher and even broke out of last Friday resistance area. And that's why we have been seeing that the gold market has continued to go down lower and lower. Silver is going down lower and lower. And we have been making profits and profits out of the market movement as we have been on the live streaming sessions. And again, if you guys confused, you guys don't know how to do your trades, even though I've already been giving you guys the idea on how you guys could sell, on how you guys could make good profits, and you guys are still missing out on those profits, you guys could check out the link on my profile, on my video descriptions, and click on it and chat me that you guys want to get access on premium trades. You guys don't need to worry. You will be getting the full trading idea buy price, sell price, stop losses, profit target. It's all there for you guys, and you guys just need to execute it as we have already been laying it out for you guys. Hundreds of dollars has been reached almost every single day, and I hope that you guys don't miss out on the next trading ideas because we've already been profiting on the gold. If we are likely to profit on the silver market on my premium trades as well. So if you guys don't want to miss out on those trading ideas, you guys know where you guys could look at. Click the link on my profile video descriptions, and hundreds of dollars on every trade are waiting for you guys if you guys have been joining me on my premium trades, because I'm sure that the ones that has been on my premium trades has actually been making good profits, me including. So certainly you guys are welcome to check that out. And again, if you guys wanted to get more economy updates, you guys are also welcome to chat me and ask access for my VIP live updates, because I'll be sharing more updates with you guys what's actually happening and how it will be impacting trading assets around the world, guys. Okay, so that is also important thing for me as I'm considering from the fundamental factors, technical factors, trend, price action, chart patterns, volume, and how you guys could time your trade and get low risk reward ratio. I mean, low risk, high reward ratio, guys. Okay, so hope you guys are making and doing your trades well and make good profitable trades as well. And if you guys are enjoying your time here, making some good profits together with us, getting some good tips and tricks as we have already been sharing a lot with you guys, don't forget to follow and subscribe. And definitely give us your thumbs up and likes if you guys don't want to miss out on any important information that I'm sharing with you guys. All right. So far, from what we are seeing, prices have actually started to rebound, and that's why, again, timing is key. And patience is very much required if you guys have already been doing your shorts after breaking down lower, your positions is still in profit. So as long as you guys have put your trading plan in place, you guys should have been safe throughout the market movement until the end of my trading sessions, guys. So we'll be updating you guys what happened, and I'm expecting to see that prices will be trying to break down the support. I'm expecting to see more downward pressure to come up. Okay. So, as we haven't been discussing a lot of ideas on the commodities asset, I believe we haven't been discussing too much on the currency side. So, I'll be showing you guys the currency strength charts, and I'll be back in a while as I've been drinking some water. I'll be back and give you guys a little bit of updates on what you guys could be expecting out of the currency market and what kind of opportunities could come out of this market. So, try to look out for what's the strongest currency for now, what's the weakest currency, and what trade you guys could do out of this kind of market movement. So I'll be back with you guys, and let me know what you guys think are the best forex current market movement that could appear from the currency strength charts. And I'll be back answering your answers, whether it's right or wrong. Hope you guys could get a little bit of understanding how you guys could use the currency strength charts and make some trades of the market. I'll be back with you guys. All right. Okay, I'm back, guys. So, what are your thoughts on the currency strength charts, guys? What are you thinking? What are the best possibilities in terms of the market movement, and what kind of possible good trades that you guys could make out of it from what you guys have been seeing so far? Okay. What are your ideas, guys? Huh? Let me refresh. Maybe something has actually happened that could really change the whole view on the currency side, and maybe some good trading ideas could happen, guys. So we'll try to take a look. So far, we are seeing that the US dollar index has been going strong for tonight, as evident from the weaknesses appearing on the gold chart. And we are also seeing that the Swiss franc is weakening as of now. So I believe that those two currency paired up could actually show us some good signs. So USD CHF, remember that for tonight. USD CHF for longs. And again, what else? We are seeing that the New Zealand dollar is weakening, NZD USD for shorts. What else? AUD is weakening, AUD USD for shorts, Euro USD for shorts. Alright, so I believe 4 is more than enough. So right now, let us try to take a look at how we could implement those kind of market ideas from the currency strength charts based on the recent momentum and today's strongest and the weakest pair. So USD CHF. All right, so USD CHF for longs has actually been performing really well over the past 5 minutes. It's been slowing down, so I believe waiting for good consolidations could be a good thing as the US dollar index continue to go stronger. I believe good chances that this momentum will continue on the market as it has been breaking out of today's high at that current price. And what else? NZD USD for shorts. So let's check. Price has actually been building up a topping phase and has actually potentially tried to break down last week's Thursday low at 0.593. So this is certainly very interesting as the downtrend is pretty clear as recent with the momentum that appeared on the US dollar index. It has right now testing the chances to test the support at 0.593, 0.592 as long as the momentum still exists. Make sure you guys could take the chance and to take a look at this currency market. And what else? AUD USD could be one of it, even though the momentum is slightly weakened. I'm not expecting too much of a change. So it's just recently broke down of today's low. So in terms of risk, maybe this could be your short if you guys are waiting to get lower risk. But if you guys are trying to get more momentums on the market, certainly the NZD USD and USD CHF could be your best choice to trade. So Euro USD and AUD USD for lower risk, more momentums, more volatility, and ZD USD for shorts, as well as the USD CHF that you guys could consider for tonight. Because it seems that both four of this currency will likely to move much more volatile throughout the market for tonight, guys. All right. So hope that helps you guys, and let us try to check out a little bit what's happening on the gold market, as we have already been doing a lot of good trades on the premium trades for tonight on the gold market side. And we have been officially saying that prices will be testing the support at 3,350, and it has actually been supporting the price at those prices. And again, prices has been slowing down a little bit. And again, I've already been telling you guys, after getting the confirmations of breakdown, prices will potentially go down lower. So trading plan in place is certainly well. But again, I've already been telling you guys that the best price to sell has actually been share with you guys right at the start of live streaming sessions, and I even give you guys a lot of ideas, explanations on why that is the best price, why is that the case, based on trend, based on price action, based on the candlestick itself. So if you guys, after getting all of those explanations and you guys still couldn't figure out how you guys could do your trade, how to plan your trade, you guys are certainly welcome to join me on my premium trades, and you guys could click the link on my profile and on my video descriptions and chat me through those links and ask me for access on my premium trades, and you guys could get access on trading ideas like the ones you are seeing on the right hand side of the corner, guys. But again, if you guys are still curious, you guys are still ready to miss out on hundreds of dollars on every single trade that we are sharing daily with you guys, certainly you guys are welcome to join us on the analysis side and enjoy your time here. Certainly you guys are welcome, because I'm sure you guys could learn a few things that I've been sharing on the live streaming sessions, on how you guys could see the trend, on how you guys could see the momentum, on how you guys could patience, on how you guys could set up your risk. And certainly hope you guys are enjoying your time. Don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on those tips and tricks live. And certainly welcome to give us a support by sharing this video with your friends so that you guys could learn together how you guys could analyze the market, how you guys could have interactive discussions with me, or if you guys do have any requests on other markets that you guys wanted to check out together, certainly you guys are also welcome to let me know as well. All right, so silver prices has officially break down below $37.70. Congrats, because I've already been telling you guys potentially good chances to happen on the silver market as well for tonight. So if you guys have missed out, I'm not sure what I'm going to say, as we have already been sharing those ideas with you guys pretty early on the market. And if you guys are still missing out, I'm not sure how you guys could be guided. So I hope you guys are welcome to follow and subscribe so that you guys don't miss out on any information that I'm sharing with you guys earlier on the market. So then that will be the case. And for more information, you guys are also welcome to follow and subscribe. Click the link on my profile and ask me for access on my premium trades. I'm sure you guys could learn a few things from there as well. Okay. Okay, so you're almost right at the end of live streaming sessions, and I'll be sharing with you guys a little bit of an idea what I'll be expecting over the next few hours, with the possibility that I'll be continuing more on my VIP live session. So again, I will be sharing more ideas with you guys again on my VIP live sessions in economic updates, as well as what I'll be updating you guys in terms of the price actions that we have been watching over the trading assets that we have been watching, guys. So if you guys are interested to get more updates on the price action updates as well as the economic events updates, you guys are welcome to click the link on my profile or my video descriptions and ask access for my VIP live access if you guys want to continue to get more updates on the market movement and economic events. But again, I'll be sharing you guys a little bit of an idea what you guys could be expecting if you guys don't have the time to join me on my VIP live sessions and give you guys a little bit of an idea what you guys could expect for tonight based on the overall market movement that we have been watching over the past 1 hour. So far, we have already been discussing about commodities, currency as well, and so far we have been making really profitable trades as well. So if you guys are still confused, you guys don't know how to make your profitable trades as well, you guys are welcome to join me on my premium trades. But for now, let me give you guys a little bit of an update on most of the analysis that we have done for tonight. So first of all, let us start from the gold market. As we've been saying, that there's a potential that prices could rebound and test the support. And so far, prices are showing the signs of that. So I would say to you guys, be careful. And if you guys have been doing the shorts after getting the confirmations of a breakdown, certainly put your trade stop losses pretty well, as there's a potential that prices could start to rebound on the market. And the potential that prices will be ranging between 3,350 towards 3,360 will be there before prices could go down. It's likely to happen. We are going to see more ranging market movement across the market sessions for today on the gold market. So gotta be aware for that and gotta be careful. And second, we have already been discussing on the silver market. And again, I've been much more bearish on the silver, even though I would say the volatility sometimes could be a little bit distracting and could be a little bit harder for you guys to track the market movement. But the overall signs is still pretty convincing, as we have already been seeing that prices is still under a lot of selling pressure. And again, we have already been making good trades on the premium side on my premium trades on the silver market, and we have already been profiting, and I'm expecting to see further drop downs on the market. But again, the most important thing on how you guys could do your trades on the silver market is how you guys could enter at higher prices, as the volatility will shake things you up easily if prices are a bit volatile on the market. So entry prices momentum is very important, and that's what I'm sharing with you guys, getting the clear momentum on the market. And you guys could get all of those on my trading plan on my premium trades for free. All right. And next, we are discussing on the all market. And again, I'm waiting for confirmations. And seems it's going to happen right after my live streaming sessions. And as prices continue to break out higher, we'll be seeing that prices will be testing $65 soon on this all market movement that we have been watching. And I'm expecting to see more to come, as prices has actually been showing a lot of good form on this market movement on the silver market. I'll be expecting to see more market movement to come. Yes, all right. And finally, on the currency market side, as we love to discuss what's happening, we have already been checking with you guys on the currency trend charts as the US dollar index continues to go stronger. Four currency trade has actually been refilled with you guys. One is coming out from the USD CHF, the strongest and the weakest pair for tonight. Second, NZD USD for short. Third, USD AUD USD for shorts, Euro USD for shorts. And so far from what we have been able to see, USD CHF has actually gone up higher, but right now it has been slowing down a little bit. As I've always been telling you guys, momentum on the currency market could change pretty quick. So that's why you guys always need to have a clear trading plan. And also NZD USD for shorts, the momentum has started to rebound, possibly giving you guys a better chance to re-enter the trades at higher prices. And for the slow weaknesses that we have been watching throughout the market movement, it seems that AUD has actually been rebounding again, but early on, that is the lowest risk you guys could get out of the market, as well as on the Euro USD market movement. So pay attention as momentum could be starting to shift on the US dollar index. Weaknesses could actually start appearing, or whether the weakness or the weaker currency started to rebound. So pay attention and always remember that you need to have your trading plan in place. But again, if you guys are still confused on how you guys could do your trade, plan your trade, you guys don't know how to put your risk, you guys don't know how to put your reward, you guys are certainly welcome to join me on my premium trades. Check the link on my profile on my video descriptions. Click on the link, chat me, say that you guys wanted to get access to my premium trades. Hundreds of dollars in profit on every single trades are waiting for you guys, and we are sharing daily signals, dozens of signals every single week with you guys. And overall, we are trading profitably, consistently well. And you guys are welcome to join the trade together with us, and you guys could get access all of it for complimentary, guys. All right. So hope the analysis has been helpful, and I'll see you guys on my VIP live sessions tonight. And if you guys wanted to join me, click the link on my profile video descriptions and more economic updates on my VIP live sessions and ask access for my VIP live. And for more ideas, and you guys could get it for free, chat me for my trading ideas and you guys could get it for free. See you guys. If not, see you guys tomorrow.